I get past that gatekeeper, yes?
Yeah, we're mostly contacting people that are at CEO level or whatever.
Okay.
That's also difficult because they might not have technical knowledge. So.
Yeah, they're a gatekeeper to the person with the technical knowledge. So I asked you if you're asking them who you should talk to for a reason. Because I don't want you to do that.
Okay.
I don't want you to do that. I do not. Here's why. Okay? If I ask, hey, Robert, so we've got some technical stuff regarding the back end of your services and everything, and possibly some gaps that you guys are missing. Are you the person to talk to on that? Is a no-win question. Why? First of all, it's offensive if you're not. I'm going to repeat that. It's offensive if you are lower in the totem pole. You're, of course, going to lie and say, oh, yeah, I'm the person. I'm qualified to make that decision. Because you're hitting them right in the ego, right? If I'm just a little junior gatekeeper and you ask me if I'm in charge of the R2486 statements on the back end of the SaaS-based server, I'm going to go, yeah, absolutely. Well, we've got some things I want to, no, don't need it. See you later, bye. I feel freaking powerful today, right? I'm just Heismaning sales professionals left and right. Happens every day. Now, on the other side of that coin, you're reaching to me at the CEO level, okay? I am also going to lie to you. I'm going to repeat that again. CEOs also lie, but their lies sound a little bit different because they don't want to be sold to, right? So they will go, oh, yeah, no, we're good. Don't need any of that, because they don't want to be bothered, okay? So here's what I want you to do as you're planning your outreach. Number one, and it's in the portal, figure out your IPP, your ideal prospect profile. Figure out how to reach out to them. Figure out how to get their mobiles. You can use tools like Lucia that will plug into your LinkedIn and give them your mobiles. But if you don't have your IPP, okay, instead of saying, who do I talk to, or worse, are you the person to talk to? Watch my face, listen to my tonality, and hear my words. Yeah, Robert, hey, so we've got some ideas around the R2486 portal, possibly some gaps that you guys might have there, and some real simple stuff that I just want to make sure that your team knows about. I'm happy to give you that information. Where would I go for something like that? If you simply change the who to a where, suddenly, words matter, guys. There's no offense. A lower person is never offended by you saying where, right? It's like, where's the beach? Over there, right? Where's the restroom? It's a that away. Right? It's easy for people to respond to where, but when you say who, not only am I offended, but I might get in trouble for giving you the name. So I want you to ask where. On a CEO level, perfect person to say where to, because the CEO doesn't want to be sold to. CEO doesn't want to have their time wasted. So if you say where, Mike Adams, our CIO, right? But if you just jump right in with the CEO, they're going to give you the Heisman, all right? I want you to practice that. I want you to go in your sustainable pipelines. I want you to develop that IPP. I'm here for you every step of the way to coach you as you build this process up, but let's change our who's to where's. Be prepared for that. Does that make sense, Robert? If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.